morning, students. Yesterday we have studied about the first lesson, food. Where does it come from? First of all, we studied about food varieties. We see there are different type of food varieties in our daily life. Food varieties are made up of some ingredients. Ingredients, for example, we have to prepare dal. In this, we add dal, spices, water, oil, ghee, and onion. So we can say these are the ingredients. Second one is the food materials and sources. Food materials we get from plants as well as from animals. Food materials, for example, vegetables, grains, pulses, fruit, etc. are obtained from plants. And from animals we get egg, milk, meat, chicken, honey, etc. Now, fourth plant was the plant parts and animal products. We eat all the parts of the plant. For example, root. Carrot and radish are the roots which we eat. Stem, for example, stem, sugarcane. Leaf, palak, methi, dhania, and fruits, onion, lemon, mango. Flowers, we eat cauliflower. Seeds, we eat grains, pulses, and etc. Animal products, milk, we get milk from cow, buffalo, and goat. Meat, we get meat from goat and cock, etc. Nectar, we get from flowers. So now last point was the what do animals eat? Animals, according to the eating habit, animals are of three types: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Herbivorous was the animals which eat plants only. For example, cow, buffalo, deer. Carnivorous means the animals which eat flesh or of animals. Third one was omnivorous. Now, at the last of the lesson, we had to study the summary of the lesson. There are different types of variations in the food eaten in different regions of the India. In India, there are different types of food which are eaten in different places. The main sources of our food are plants and animals. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivorous, and carnivorous are those animals which eat flesh, and omnivorous means the living being which eat plants and animals both. Now, we explain the keywords given in the lesson. Keywords. Number 1, ingredients. Ingredients. Ingredients means something that enters as an element into a mixture are called ingredients. So ingredients are those materials which are mixed together to form any food item. Next one is a edible. Edible means something that is fit to be fit to be eaten fit to be eaten are called edible. Okay, next third one is sprouted seeds. Sprouted seeds मतलब means it is a type of germination. Okay, it is a type of germination by which seeds or spores put out shoots. Now next one is herbivorous. Herbivorous those living beings which eat plants, okay, are called herbivorous. Next one is carnivorous. Carnivorous means those living beings which eat flesh of other animals. Okay, now last one is omnivorous. Those living beings which eat both plants and animals. Okay, question number 1, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? You know that all the animals need same kind of food? No, there are different type of animals which eat different type of food. No, all living beings do not need the same kind of food. Same kind of food. Some animals eat only plants. Only plants are called herbivorous. Okay? Some other animals eat both plant and animals, are called omnivorous. For example, human being. Okay. Now question number 2. Name 5 plants. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. We have discussed yesterday, there are generally all the parts of the plant are eaten by human being or other animals. For example, carrot. Carrot is a food in which a root is edible. Carrot is a type of root. Now next one is potato. Potato is a type of stem. Number 3, now apple. Apple is a fruit. Now पालक, इसको पालक बोलते हैं, पालक और स्पाइनिश leaves. Okay. Mustard is seed which is used to make oil. Now see, match the items given in column A with that in column B. Column A, first point, milk, curd, paneer, ghee. These are all animal products. So we can match the 4th point. Okay. Next one is spinach, cauliflower and radish. These all are vegetables. So we can match with the 3rd point. Lion and tiger eat other animals. So we can match with the 3rd point. And herbivorous eat plants and animal products. So we can match with the 2nd point. Now question number 4. Fill up the blanks. Fill up the blanks with the given words. With the given words. Herbivores, plant, milk, sugarcane, and carnivores. First is the tiger. Tiger is a which? Carnivore. Carnivores. Because it eats only meat. Tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Okay. Second point is deer eats only plant products. So it's called herbivorous. Third point is parrot eats only what? Plant products. Okay. Fourth point, that we drink which comes from cows, buffaloes and goat is an animal product. So what is the answer? The milk. Milk is the product that we get from cows, buffaloes. We get sugar from sugarcane. We get sugar from sugarcane. Okay. Next question, things to think about. The question is, does everyone around you get enough food to eat? If not, why? Everyone does not get enough food. No, because everyone does not get enough food to eat. Enough food to eat due to income. Income is the main reason. Inequality. Some people do not have enough purchasing power. Why? To buy enough food, because their income is low. Enough food for their families. Okay, for their families. So people with less income or no income. Someone have no income. Face the problem to get enough food. So we can say that the income is the main reason for getting enough food. Okay. Now the next question is, what are the ways we can think of to avoid wastage of food? The food wastage. So we can follow the given ways to avoid the wastage of food. Number 1, check your daily food intake. Check your daily food intake. Now number 2, manage your food portion. Manage your food portion. Number 3, plan your meals. Plan your meals and make list. Make list for required edible. Next, 4th point. We should always look at storage portion. Fifth point. There should be no leftover. Not left over. So we should not waste any food. Vegetable peelings and scrap must be thrown in the compost or worm farm. Okay, now all the answers has completed. Now you have to revise all question answers. We have to listen tomorrow.